Lesson 2. Learn how to single crochet. Materials needed. Make a slip knot and chain 11. Wind the working yarn through your fingers to create tension. Row 1. Insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. Yarn over your hook and pull through the loop. Yarn over your hook again and pull through both of the loops on the hook. 1 single crochet made. Repeat this process across the chain by inserting your hook in the next chain. Yarn over your hook and pull the loop through. You now have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over your hook again and pull through both loops on the hook. At the end of the row, you will have made 10 single crochets. Chain 1 and turn your work. Row 2. Single crochet in each of the 10 single crochets across. At the end of your row, you will have made 10 single crochets. On the next row, we will be increasing or making 2 single crochets in each of the 10 single crochets. Row 3. To make a single crochet, increase, you will make 2 single crochets in each of the 10 stitches across. At the end of the row, you will have made 20 single crochet. At the end of the row, you will chain 1 and turn. On the next row, you will practice decreasing to get back to 10 stitches. Count your stitches to make sure you have made 20 single crochets. Row 4. To decrease, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over and pull through for 2 loops on your hook. Do not finish the single crochet, but insert your hook in the next stitch and yarn over. Pull that loop through. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and draw through all 3 loops on your hook. 1 single decrease made. Repeat this process across the row. At the end of the row, you will be back to 10 single crochets. Now that you know how to single crochet, you can go back to the book where you will find the next video and with a printout where we will make a headband.